Hey, Apple. What? Hey, Apple. What? Hey, Apple. I'm annoying banana. What? What are you talking about? I'm trying to get some shut-eye. Watch out. What do you mean? Microwave.
Wow, you're going in the microwave, bitch.
Okay. I think actually, should we get like a flat plate so we can see it? Can you just get like a plate? There's a flat plate, little one. I don't know how good it's going to be to see this thing.
Oh, Lord, I'm going to use my ears for this one.
What are we going to do? Fish. Power. High.
30 seconds?
10 minutes?
No, not 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Not 10 minutes.
No,
We still went partway through.
oh, God.
I can't see a shit in here. It's just reflecting my face, man.
Oh, shit.
Can you turn that low?
Turn the light.
Turn the light off. I might need low light. Nitro. Here we are. Trying to. Is it going to explode?
Oh, shit, you guys. How is that?
Turn it off now. Turn it off now.
How? How do you turn it off?
I see the light become white.
Turn it off.
We don't know how to turn it off.
Turn it off. Quick, it's going to explode. Quick,
No, turn the light on.
Get that on. Light on, you fool. Oh, stop.
What happened in there? Turn it off. Oh, Lord. Turn it on normal. Turn it on normal. Get off night vision. Get mittens. What are they?
Hey,
Mittens.
I wonder if this apple is explosive apples. Because I heard if you heat an apple too much, they explode.
Give me a second.
Let's bring it over here on the table.
We're going to do dissection.
Said apple.
Let's put Apple over here. Just down here on this table here. Hey, Apple. What, man? You're hot.
Wait.
Okay.
Right, so. Hey, Apple.
Hey, apple. Knife.
Okay, try it. Knife.
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 Just cut it. Ooh, shit. Oh, shit. Cut that a little bit off there. I think we've...
Rip it
Ow,
off.
it's bloody hot.
Rip it.
I can't rip it off. Ow, shit. Let's cut a little corner off it off.
Whistle.
This little corner.
What do you mean little?
Oh, god damn it. I'm gonna try and...
No,
It's like
knife cat.
Gmod Apple Murders.
It's knife cat.
Oh shit.
It's the cameraman's cutting.
Okay. Let's go. Let's taste the puree apple. Ow, fuck. Sorry.
I need to taste it.
Do you want to taste some pureed apple?
Oh, fuck. It's...
No, it's apple.
Ow. Fuck. Oh,
Does it taste okay?
3, 2, 1. Oh.
Boy, wash it down, boy. Oh, God. That was my cup, you fucking... You started to knock the scum?
Okay, Gmod.